So guys, we're heading to the Jungle Water Park. It's gonna be our first time at sabi nila bago to. So, andyan lang kayo at samahan nyo kami. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo while watching the video! Are you excited, Celia?
Yes!
Kenny? Oh, hindi siya excited.
Si Joe at si Wax siya nag-ano niya sa'yo, nagpo-voice over.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you really excited? Shout if you're excited. Yay!
Yay! Say yay!
Yay!
Ngek. Celine first. Come, see daddy.
I just swim.
Huh?
I just swim.
We will swim. We will go to where? Hey guys, so we're heading to the where are we going? Where are we going? Ano ba yan? Naligaw ako. Saan tayo? We're going to the jungle.
Mommy.
Jungle, ano yan? Celine? Yung jungle?
Jungle water park.
Jungle Water Park. Asan na yan?
Down here.
Sit down, sit down.
Here.
Ask Celine, maybe she has an idea.
Why is it
Anong, ano to?
Volvo ata?
No, BM.
Pero
Ano ba to? Oh, may eksena pa siya dun eh. Ang pag-exit niya eh. So doon, kitang-kita ang... Hindi pala kita. Ulit. Yes. So, kanina kita ko yung Dubai frame eh. Tsaka... Asan? So that's a Dubai frame. This side, actually dito yung Dubai Mall at saka Burj Khalifa. TV, say hi.
Hi. Mommy, say hi.
Vlogger yan. Are you excited to swim?
Say hi, everyone. No bashing. I'm making the man. Say hi.
Ate Celine say.
No bashing. Say no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. Bye.
So ito ngayon ang bagong ano ito?
Monshi.
Sa Dubai.
Visita Monshi for a circle.
Parang yun, bullshit. May pagkagana. What?
Ito yung
Why?
yan. Room yan lahat ng grade 2. So dyan yung kanyang tinitikat natin.
So pupunta.
Yan. Tapos may gate 1. Mga ano naman yan, mga bus. Ito,
May bayan pala sa gilid eh.
parent entrance.
Di ba?
Oo.
Ang gaganda.
Tapos ito, grade may gate 10. Kaya iba't ibang pasok. Gate 4. Sa taas yun, tingnan mo yun. Football field. Yan,
Dapat
yan.
kasi ganyan dahil
Welcome to LA.
Ayun ang mga
LA.
kabayo.
Madina at Jumeirah.
Ay, ano kayo dito, syempre.
Kaya pala gold yung mga horse.
Yes.
Madina at Jumeirah.
Pero magja-jungle.
Hey guys, so we're going to Westing or naman
Doon ka pala eh.
ano lugar to? Minasahi. Minasahi?
Where's the water park there?
Valley, we are going to Jungle Bay.
Oh, inside.
No, is that like a valley?
Mommy, watch out!
You have to pay or?
Mommy!
Huh?
Watch out!
Jungle Bay.
Mommy! We're here! Mommy!
Put it there, para kita na rin sa
Mommy!
items. Dali, bakit? Buksan mo yan. O dito. Diyan niya madalas buksan eh. Okay. Ako yan.
Ay, sinina.
Ito lang dadali natin. TV ko. Nagsisilin wake up. Little Susie. Hindi niya na kinaya. Hindi na niya kinaya. Oh my God. So, we're here now at the Le Méridien. Mina si Yahi in Dubai. Ha?
Nandyan sila.
Dito. Saan tabi? Go. Bilang ini naman yun. Dito. Sili here. Guys, so we're here right now at the Jungle Water Park Resort right here at the Dubai Le Méridien Hotel. And medyo mainit pa, but you know, still a good weather for some water park.
Pero maganda din dito.
Really?
Yeah.
I should have taken the video. And it's like we're going to Santorini. We're in Greece. So, okay.
Wow!
So this is the map for the Jungle Bay Water Park.
The ticket daw.
In my wallet.
No. We're
That's nice tower.
So slide tower there, splash pool, and here's the restroom. Aqua play, wave pool. Wave pool. Okay. So guys, we are here at the Jungle Bay Water Park. Okay, tumama din ako sa wakas. Jungle Park ako ng Jungle Park. So hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. Ano ba yan? This is the second day, and this time we're going to explore the Jungle Bay right here at the Le Méridien and Westin, Dubai, here at the Siyahi somewhere. Actually, my first time here. Kahit 8 years na ako dito sa UAE, but yeah, so this is how it looks like. Right here. It's this is nice.
Yeah, nice.
This is nice. This area is nice. Yeah. I love the color blue and white. So clean. Yeah, wow. This is the splash pool. And ito naman. Ito din. May artificial wave. Is there any access going to the beach? Okay, fine. So only here. But it's nice. Love that. Perfect. Yeah, so pag nami-miss mo ang beach, very Santorini. So, for mga, anong tawag dito, B? Bean bags. Cool.
Watch up muna. No! We don't need.
Come here. Hair lang, hair. Ano ba yan? Cabana? Hindi, baka nauna lang sila. Wala pa yung wave. May artificial wave yan. What? Go touch. Baba mo daw. Takot, first time mag-swimming. First time naka ano na, tag dito, tag dyan, life jacket na. Oh, look at Tachi, oh. There's the wave. The wave is coming. Tiffany, look, it's coming to you. Tiffany, wee! Wee! Hindi lumapit din, dali na. It's okay, masaya sa tiyo. Magpo-float naman siya eh. Water park in Dubai, and hindi ko na nadala tong camera kasi medyo nag-enjoy kami mag-swim. Yun ang maganda. So pag sabi nila, pag daw walang masyadong video siguro ginagawa, ibig sabihin nag-enjoy. So medyo dun tayo sa nag-enjoy, diba? So masaya din once in a while na nakakalabas, especially ganito yung situation, but then yung bonding with family very important, diba? So parang sabi ko nga, it's been like 4 months na hindi kami nagpupunta ng Dubai, so binisita naman namin yung ate ko at saka yung family niya. So yeah, so syempre Filipino values yung strong family ties. I'm sure nakaka-relate kayo dyan na every now and then we have to check and see whether yung family natin is on a good state, kasi even us, like ako personally, gusto ko din naman yung, alam mo yon, yung naiiba din yung environment ko. Anyway, madami na akong nasabi. So sa inyo dyan, don't forget na mag-enjoy kayo. And syempre, don't forget din naman to like and subscribe, okay? So this has been Joey Cabral for Come With Cabrals. And I hope to see you sa susunod naming videos. So for now, salamat and see you soon. It's gonna fall down. Kitty, it's gonna fall down. Look. Hawakan mo siya, B. Ang tagal naman bumaba. There. So guys, tapos na kami. Magbabanlaw na lang, maliligo. Then we're off to Abu Dhabi. So nag-enjoy ang kids. Actually, napagod kami. Guys, ganito yung itsura ng bathroom nila. Look at those fixtures. And ito, naglilinis na sila kasi 6 o'clock close. Giving you a quick tour of how it looks like. Nice siya, look. And look at the flooring. So Santorini. I haven't been there to Santorini, pero ganito yung itsura niya sa picture. Di ba? So yeah. So it looks like. So for our dinner, ano ba ito? Parang lechon manok. Ha? Lechon manok. And then, parang, siyempre, paborito natin yung lumpiang Shanghai, squid, lomi. Matagal ko na hindi natikman yung bulalo. And we have the barbecue. May papandesal pa.
This one.
Ba to?
This pandesal.
Garlic fried rice. Bon appetit.